Hey, it's Ned. Welcome to Tag Tutors, where I'll be showing you step-by-step guide on how to ace the described GCSE question. This applies for all specifications, AQA, EdExcel, OCR, it doesn't matter. Get a pen, a paper, and listen.
The population of humans on Earth has increased significantly, leading to food shortages. The growth of drought-resistant crop plants could lead to an increase in food supply. Describe how drought-resistant crop plants can be produced. Now, step 1. How many marks is the question what? This question is what? 3 marks? So that means that I need to make 3 bullet points for 1 mark each. Step 2. The command word. Describe, what does it mean? Command word, describe stays, state the facts. State the facts about how drought-resistant crop plants can be produced. So I have to think about what drought-resistant crop plants mean. Drought-resistant means that they can survive during drought. So what does that mean? How can I produce that? I need to get plants that survive under drought conditions, because some plants can survive under drought, other plants can't. That is the variation that I know from what I have been taught. So I can now say that some plants are tolerant of drought conditions, and other plants are not. So I need to select the plants that are tolerant of drought conditions. Step 2. When I get those plants, I need to cross-breed them. Okay, so I need to cross-pollinate the drought-resistant plants and grow them under drought conditions. My last point, select the right offsprings and repeat the process over many generations. Farmers selectively breed chickens to produce large chickens. Figure 4 shows how the size of chickens has changed over time. So I can see figure 4, this is small chicken, medium and large. Explain how farmers have used selective breeding to produce large chickens. Step 1. How many marks is the question what? Question is what? 3 marks. So I need 3 points for 1 mark each. Step 2. What does the command word mean? Command word here, it says explain. That means I need to give a reason. What do I know about selective breeding to produce large chickens? My first point, if I'm looking for large chickens, that means I need to select large chickens. Okay, so my first point, select large chickens. My second point, I need to breed them together. I need to select the offsprings and repeat the process over many generations. Describe 1 benefit and 1 risk of selectively breeding chickens. Step 1. How many marks is question what? 2 marks. So I would imagine 1 mark for the benefit, 1 mark for the risk. What would be the benefit of selectively breeding chickens? I know that it would produce more food. If the chickens are bigger, that would mean that there's more meat that will serve the population. So I would write down to produce more food, in brackets, meat, for the population. Now, what would be the risk of selective breeding? If I'm just making or producing large chickens, that would mean that the smaller or medium-sized chickens would be less. So there's more large ones, there's less small ones. So what does that mean? That would mean there is less variation. Or I can write loss of useful gene.
If you have found this video useful, please like and leave a comment. Subscribe and share with your friends. The aim of the video is to help you. Until next time.